kids learn it too. We are the countries of the world with flags. 195 sovereign states the UN does have. 193 UN members and 2 observer states. We're the countries of the world with flags. I'm the United States of America. I am the country named Canada. I am Brazil. Here is Mexico.
The National Weather Service in Fargo has issued a tornado warning for central Stutsman County in central North Dakota, southeastern Barnes County in eastern North Dakota, southwestern Cass County in eastern North Dakota, north central Ransom County in eastern North Dakota, central Norman County in northwestern Minnesota, southwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, southern Beltrami County in northern Minnesota, effective until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Enderling, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Enderling. Take cover now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, park your vehicle and stay put. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in North Dakota: Stutsman, Barnes, Cass, and Ransom. In Minnesota: Norman, Becker, and Beltrami.